Good morning, students. So we will continue with our first chapter, nutrition in plants, and this time the topic is photosynthesis. Kids, as we discussed earlier, that green plants are also known as autotrophs because they are able to prepare their own food, and the process by which they prepare their food is known as photosynthesis. So in this lesson, we will discuss about photosynthesis. How does it work? So, photosynthesis is the process by which green plants prepare their own food using carbon dioxide, water, and chlorophyll in the presence of sunlight. And this process is known as photosynthesis. And in most plants, all this takes place in its leaves. So, leaves are also called the food factories of plants as they synthesize food for plants. Now, these are the things a plant needs for photosynthesis, the process by which a plant makes its own food: water, carbon dioxide, light energy from the sun. Now, what part of the plant takes in water? Plant absorbs water through their roots. The water then travels from the roots up to the stem to the leaves. Now, how this water or minerals are transported from the soil to the leaves of the plant, these are transported by the help of pipe like structures known as the xylem, which helps them in transporting these materials, these minerals and waters from the roots up to the leaves. Now, plants' roots grow towards water because of this reason. Now, what part of the plant takes in carbon dioxide? So, the bottom part of a plant's leaves has holes called stomata. Carbon dioxide enters the leaf through these stomata. Now, each stoma is surrounded by two bean shaped cells called the guard cells. Now, these guard cells control the opening and closing of stomata, therefore, they have the name as guard. Guard means protector, means they regulate the opening and closing of the stomata. They work like the gatekeeper, and that is why the name is given to them as the guard cells, which help in opening and closing of the stomata. Now, what part of the plant absorbs the light from the sun? The green leaves of a plant absorb the light energy from the sun. The plant uses the light energy to manufacture food from carbon dioxide and water. Therefore, the plant leaves grow towards the sunlight.